How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can program mechanical keyboard using VIA. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just search for VIA on your browser. And from here, just make sure that your device is connected. Now, click on the check compatibility and you can just check whether your keyboard is supported for the software right here. Now there's a lot of software, so you could just press Ctrl F and then now you could search for your keyboard. From there, let's navigate back to the official web page, and then you want to click on the Start Now button, and then you want to select the authorized device. Now, if your keyboard or your mechanical keyboard is supported for VIA, you will be able to see that right here. So just click on our keyboard, and then we will be able to simply program our mechanical keyboard the way we want to. So there's a lot of things that you could do inside the software, but generally that's how you start. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.